Hello legends, Vikshan here. Just want to thank you for the support you have given me so far, and hopefully you had a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Thank you once more. So today I wanted to do something different from the usual. With me are 3 LED bulbs, 2 of which light dimly and veins.
This already doesn't make sense.
I also have this bulb holder which I Frankensteined to test the bulbs. I yanked the power's input connector from a dead power supply. But before we get started, I should let you know that I am not a qualified technician, so do not attempt this unless you know what you are doing. Electricity can be dangerous. The goal is to fix these bulbs and help save the environment. I am most ready to join the big guys in this.
This is my 3rd corporate responsibility gig today.
I'll be making videos without my face in them. Don't ask me how this is good for the environment. It is the same reasons why companies ship phones without chargers. First, let's pop open the lid. What sets these bulbs from traditional filament bulbs is that they use LEDs. The filament bulbs produce light by heating a filament through resistance, which glows to emit light. A lot of energy is lost as heat, making them inefficient as they require 50 to 100 watts. LED lights use light-emitting diodes, which produce light through electroluminescence. This is when electrons move through a semiconductor material, releasing energy as photons. This direct conversion of electricity to light is why LEDs are more efficient, losing only about 5% of energy as heat. These bulbs use only 5 watts. You are welcome for the lecture. I want to share my knowledge to you, legends, and hopefully y'all will find this helpful. I want to review tech, make tech, yap about tech, change lives, and well, one heart can definitely change the world. That is why I am asking for your support. You can do this by subscribing to my channel, of course, or making a small donation at coffee.com/vikshan, or by just watching this video or any other and smashing the like button. Thanks for lending me your time. You are a legend. Anywho, back to class. The LEDs in these bulbs are connected in series. This means if one LED fails or burns out, the whole bulb will not work. But we can extend the life of the bulb for a few more hours by replacing the burnt LED. But I am not a pro in micro soldering, and neither are you. So we take the short way out. We remove the burnt LED and complete the circuit somehow. You can do this by soldering, and if you can't, just use aluminum foil. Though I don't recommend this as we really need a tight contact. Oh, I'd use a tight hug right now. Now, with that info dump, let's fix these 2 bulbs. For this particular bulb, the LEDs light dimly. After testing, we need to identify the burnt out LED. This is such a spot to spot as it will mostly have a black spot. Sometimes, more than one LEDs can spot these spots. Start on the one with a darker spot. After identifying the faulty LED, you will need to remove it and clean the spotty spot. We can then test if the LED we just removed is the culprit. I put the bulb in the holder carefully, not to touch the exposed components, and used a tester to complete the circuit, and voila, the bulb lights with full brightness. A real spotlight moment. Now, I can clean and use some solder to complete the circuit. Also, be careful with the soldering iron. Make sure the solder bridges the 2 contacts of the LED, same if you used aluminum foil. You do not have to get it in the first try, as I didn't. But while we are at it, let's work on the second bulb and test them together afterwards, while the soldering iron is still hot. Speaking of hot, if this tutorial helped you out, make that like button glow bright and share it with a friend. Your support helps light up more repair guides like this one. For this bulb, we will repeat the procedure. That is, test, identify, remove, clean, test, and solder. Now, the moment of truth. They both light. You are welcome, Mother Nature.
I want to see you do more of this.
And that is it, legends. 2 faulty bulbs fixed to their former brighter glory. Did you know this? If you did, good for you and the environment. If you didn't, now you have something for the next science fair. The bulbs are less brighter because an LED is missing, of course, but it is hard to notice unless you removed all but one LED. Anyway, Happy New Year and thanks for watching. Do what makes you happy and stay safe. You are the best friend you can ever have. I will see you in the next one. Cheers. Hello legends, Vikshan here. I just want to breathe in, breathe out.